Welcome to Chai of Mind.
Your remedy.
For clarity.
And I'm Hindavi.
I'm Ashi.
And we're at the fourth episode.
Fifth
of-
episode.
Fifth episode. Oh my god. Fifth episode of
Love.
Pyar. Yes. A topic that Ashi will love.
I love love. I lead life
Ashi.
with wanting to find love,
Yeah.
with the giving love,
Yeah.
and experiencing all forms of love.
Today we're here with Honey Lemon.
And lemon aid, Gatorade.
Lemonade.
Yeah. It's quite a vibe, you guys.
Yeah.
Don't go by the color of it. I know we've drunk half of it already, but
But it's really good.
it's really good. It's not super sweet. We're at Tender Fresh, the Machik shop.
Yes. Yes.
So go to any of those outlets. We're the one at Pongal Park.
yeah.
And
It's a very pretty view.
It's a very
Yes.
thanks. Yeah.
I knew it. Yeah.
We thought that love is all around us, and so it's
Yes.
important that we head out and talk about this.
Yeah.
Let's begin.
Yeah. What is love? And what is a good connection for you?
Gosh. Okay, so we're talking about romantic love,
Yes.
but this I think can be applicable to all forms of love and all types of relationships.
Okay.
I think love is giving attention, witnessing a person's life, and
Okay.
being present and
I agree.
supporting people
Yeah.
in life. It
Yes.
can really be in all forms where you promise to be there
Yeah. It's being with the person in their highs and their lows.
through
And
everything.
Not just one of it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
And really seeing them for who they are and holding
Yes.
that space for them.
Yeah.
And I don't think you
Yeah.
can do that unless you see the beautiful, enduring qualities in someone, right?
person,
So, of
yeah.
course, love is also beauty. Love is
Yes.
care, is
Yeah.
what I'm trying to say.
Yes,
Love
yeah.
is care.
And I'm sure everyone relates to this. Everyone has the same thought about love in this way.
Yeah.
But we've all experienced different types of love.
Different types of
Yes.
love and different types of romantic,
People,
different relationships.
Yeah, family, all of that.
Yes. So, let's talk
Yeah.
about
What's a good connection for you?
romantically.
Romantically.
I think it goes back to what love is, right? If
Yeah.
you really are going to be present through everything.
Yeah.
And like I said, everything. and promise to hold space
Yeah.
is what really a good connection is. But there's also something very out of this tangible world that holds a good connection for me. I think it's when you really can see the person for who they are and accept them fully
Yes.
for who they are as well,
Yeah.
and want the best for them. Yeah, like when I see you, I hope all your dreams come true, and I want to do everything I can in my power to make that happen for you.
Yes.
I think is also a fundamental value of a strong
Okay.
relationship and having that connection.
Okay.
That's how you know, I think. Also,
Okay.
sometimes when you just look at the person in their eyes,
Yeah.
you'll know.
That you have a connection.
Yes,
Yeah.
there's something here
Yeah.
that will tell you, and not here,
Yeah.
that it's a good connection.
And I feel like when you see a couple, you just know when they have a connection and
Yeah.
they're meant for each other.
Yeah.
And when it's not also.
Yeah.
Like, wait a second, what? Like that.
In a minute.
It happens.
Yeah.
But I also feel like love is if you have someone who you really love and you can see yourself not the best version of yourself for them. Love is when you want to be better and not when you tell the person you can't get anyone better than me.
Oh yes,
It's
definitely.
bettering yourself for the person.
Definitely,
That's
I
what
think
of.
so. I
Because
think so.
I've seen many situations where the person goes, I know you'll get better. I'm not the one for you. You can be.
You
just
can.
have to work towards
I feel
it.
like love is
Yeah.
also about taking action.
Yeah.
And
Correct.
when you know that this person is it,
Yeah.
won't you do everything in your power to want to be with them?
Yeah. Yeah. I agree with this, but I'm so sorry. I'm not on the side of long distance. That's the one thing I don't agree with.
Well-
Hypothetically, I don't know how it is, but
I've never done a long distance actually.
I don't. That's the point.
Okay.
Don't.
Why don't you tell me, for you, what is a good connection?
It it is when a person tries to be the best version of themselves for you. That is what it is. And a good connection, I think this is not something I can say in words. I feel like it's a feeling when you know that you really connect with the person,
Yeah.
and you see yourself spending your entire life with the person,
Yeah.
and going through with them in all kind of difficulties or whatever it is,
Yeah.
and being present for the person. Because I've seen where, at times the person is present, at times they're not. It's not a choice. You have to be present
Yeah.
regardless.
Yeah.
And being in the same, space,
Wavelength.
same, yeah, same
Yeah.
wavelength as the person.
Yeah.
And it's not, two people are always very different. You don't have to be
Yes.
same or have the same feeling.
I was going to ask you this question.
Yeah.
So, do you think, right, if you are with your partner and it's
Yeah.
a good relationship,
Yeah.
do you think that these two individuals start adopting one another's
Yes.
thought processes and beliefs to the
Yeah.
point where they almost become quite similar as
Very
individuals?
similar, yeah.
Or do you think it's important to hold your differences because
The-
that's what also is
Yeah.
complementary in a relationship?
There are differences, but yes, you do end up being similar in many ways.
Yes.
Like like even like slangs or anything.
Yeah.
You just start like, it just comes naturally.
Your
to you.
inner language,
Yes, yeah,
right?
that also does happen. So
Yeah.
both ways is good.
Yeah, you almost
whichever it
create
is.
your own world, your
Yes,
own bubble.
Yeah,
yeah.
but it's also important to not stay in the bubble.
It's important to know that it's a bubble.
Yes, correct. 'Cause I
Or-
feel like there are
yeah.
people who I have seen.
Or for it to be not all encompassing. We are right next to
I
the
swear.
lake, and there fully is a monitor
Yeah,
lizard.
people are looking that side. I can.
Because I heard
she's
Russell.
taking-
Oh my god! Oh my god!
She's taking a video of it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Please,
Ew.
keep a watch.
Ew. Okay.
I don't know what I was saying.
We were talking about like it's important to
Okay.
not be in the bubble.
Yeah, one thing I feel like, which many people, some people who have like met or seen, is when you start dating another person and all, don't forget the other people in your life. I've seen people go inside the bubble and completely forget, let's say, the friends or other people in their life. Why are you doing that?
Yes.
In the end, it's your partner. They are not the whole world for
Yes.
you. They're in your world.
Yes. There's a
Yes,
book
yeah.
called The Course of Love by Alan the Botton, and he
Okay.
talks about this.
Okay.
And he says that it's very important that we don't fall into the trap of believing that your partner needs to be everything for you.
Yes.
They can't, right?
Yeah.
Like they can't be
Yeah.
your mother or your
Yeah.
parent or your child
Yeah.
or your best friend.
Yeah.
No, because that's what your other relationships are for. That's the role that your other friends or people
Correct,
in your
yeah.
life fulfill. So
Yeah.
to have that expectation is actually
Yeah.
quite dire, and I
Yeah.
think it places a lot of unnecessary burden
Yeah.
on one person to be
And being
everything.
dependent on the person. Don't do that.
Yes.
You're not, your personality is going away slowly then. Like,
Yes.
you should not be doing that. And I've seen so many people, and this is a situation where you cannot tell the person. I feel like you can't tell. Like, I know someone in my life who is doing that, then I'm just like, I don't know how to tell them that, hey, aren't you forgetting that
Yeah.
you also have a life? You don't need to, involve a person everywhere.
In every
You have your own
extent.
personality.
Yes.
There's people I've seen, and I'm like, oh, I'm asking like a close friend of theirs, like, what do you do now? And they're like, I can't do anything about it. That friend is, she will come out of the bubble whenever she has to, kind of thing.
That's
There was
hard,
this
you know.
one time when one of my friends, she was going through a pretty, a toxic relationship.
Mm-hmm.
But there's times where you don't know it's a toxic relationship. And what was happening to her was she was slowly getting alienated from her own friends, and she didn't realize that this is something the boyfriend slowly started doing with her.
Right.
Like he was like, oh, why you hang out with this friend, kind of thing. And he
Oh.
kind of showed that, hey, maybe this friend is not good for you.
Right.
And she thought that he meant in the best way for her.
Right.
But in the end, she lost all of her friends slowly. So that's not how it is, right?
Quite lonely
Yeah.
and isolating, isn't
Exactly.
it?
And after she broke up with him, that's when she
Yeah.
realized that was already a red flag.
Right.
Like your partner will not alienate you from your friends and other people.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's also important to differentiate between loving someone and being possessive of someone. Love has a lot of freedom,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
knowing and trust, right? That
Yeah.
at the end of the day, you're always going to come back to one another. And to
Yeah.
hold that space for your partner and knowing that
Yeah.
I want you to live life to its fullest potential. And that
Yes.
comes in like having your own experiences and
Yes.
having your own
Yeah.
life
Correct.
too.
Correct.
Because you don't want to
Yeah.
lead one life, right?
Yeah.
You're leading two lives together.
Correct. And that's better.
Yeah.
Don't you? Because you just, like, speak about your experiences with your partner by the end of the day, and
Yeah.
it's different from theirs.
Yes.
So that's always better.
And I love talking.
Correct.
I love yaps in
There's
relationships.
a reason why this podcast is here, guys.
Yes, like
Love.
fully my favorite thing to do, I think, would be like chai, sit down, shower, dinner,
Yes.
tell me about your day,
Wow, yeah.
what happened, and then
Yes.
sometimes to just hold the silence of the day too.
Correct. Yeah. Yes.
Both.
Yeah. And I feel like there's this one. It's a situation that I did hear of from a friend, that let's say two people were in long distance, and the girl mentioned that, I want you to experience your entire life, make memories. So even if you're in long distance, I want to tell you that if your friend, asks you to, stay over, go out, I want you to do that. But on the other hand, the guy was like, but I want to spend my time with you. I want to
Right.
give it all to you. So what is your thought on that? Because the girl will feel guilty, but the
Right.
guy just wants to speak with her. So this is why I think long distance is kind of contradicting. Because obviously the other partner wants to spend time, but she wants him to also not miss out on the memories of life.
Yeah,
But the partner in front thinks differently.
yeah.
So that's already.
I think that it's very important to know why that distance exists. Like if you are
Yeah.
in an LDR, right? If you're
Yeah.
in another country
Yeah.
to pursue higher studies or for
Yeah.
work or for whatever it is, why you're doing that
Yeah.
needs to be very clear. What significance it holds in your life needs to be very clear. And I think that needs to be respected, of course, while finding moments of balance in
Correct.
between.
Yes,
Again, if this person is the love of your life,
Yeah.
will you not go through the ends of the world
Yeah.
to
For
make
the
it
person.
work? Of
Yeah.
course, it's going to be hard. Distance is a very, very tricky space to
Yeah.
work with,
Correct.
but I think it's always a choice. My
Correct.
Nana, he just celebrated his 80th birthday, by the way, you
Whoa.
guys. So
Yeah.
you'd like to think he's really lived a full life, you
Yeah.
know? And he always tells me that, hey, your destiny is only 1/3 of your life. What's written
Is
in any aspect is
Yeah.
only 1/3 of your life.
Okay.
2/3 of it, so more of it, is your choice, your
Yeah,
actions,
it's in your hands.
karma. So
Yeah.
everything is a choice,
Yeah.
and I think that's incredibly important. It's making that choice every day to wanting to make it work, to show
Make it
up,
better
and to
every
pull
time.
through the difficult
Yes.
moments as
Yeah.
well. I have a story.
Okay.
My cousin, he was in an LDR for 12 years. He just got married,
That is
and
so cool. See?
they made it work for them because I think they just knew
Yeah.
that they were the ones for one another.
each other.
That distance, while I'm sure was hard
Yeah.
for them,
It is.
they found a way to make it work, for
yeah.
them. And I think because what helped was that they both individually are very driven people in wanting to achieve things
Whatever they
in
set their
life,
mind
you know,
to. Yes,
outside of relationships, just
Yeah.
in terms of career and like who they want to be as people.
Yeah.
They really focused on that as well. And I
Yeah.
think when you do that, when you love yourself, when you do the things you want to love, and you
Yes.
find someone who's doing the same thing,
Yes.
it makes it a lot easier
Yeah.
to work with, even if there's distance involved.
Correct. That makes sense. That's
Yeah,
great.
I love seeing
Yeah.
that.
In the end, I feel like it's a connection,
Yes.
and if you do have it, you will make anything work. You will try to do that, and it takes two people. If it's just one, it won't work out.
Unless you're in a polyamorous relationship,
Okay.
then it takes
That's
whatever. Whoever is in there, it
Yeah.
takes your full presence
Correct.
to make it work.
Yes.
And I think that's applicable to any relationship if you think about it. You know, we
Yeah.
oftentimes take relationships for granted because we're blood bound, like especially in family, we take it for granted.
Yeah.
It's important to show up in those relationships as well,
Regardless,
just as
yeah.
you would in the
Yeah.
relationships you have chosen for
I feel
yourself.
like we have all seen that in our families, where you know which friend, which relative, or who will be showing up for sure,
Yeah.
regardless of the occasion. It
Yeah.
could be something sad, it could be something happy, but they show up, they drop a text or a call.
Yes.
So that's all. Isn't that does make a difference?
It's
Obviously.
important to show up.
Yes. Yeah.
Love
So,
is to show up.
yes.
Love is presence.
Definitely showing up. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I
That's
like
all.
that. I have another
Yes.
question for you.
Yeah.
Whether or not there is still a certain adherence to the traditional roles in
Yeah.
relationships. I
Yes.
want my partner to be protective
Yeah.
and to, I think because
Correct.
personally, to such a large extent, I've been hyper independent through my life.
Entire life. That's why
Entire
you,
life.
You want a partner who's more independent. At one
Who
point, you want.
just recognizes that,
Correct.
and I don't want to say it, but I do want you to do it. To just take the lead
is this a
sometimes
message?
to whoever. Yeah,
Ah,
that
yes.
yeah. Like
Okay.
I mean, of course I'll do it, but like sometimes it's nice that someone else plans it for
Correct,
you as
yeah.
well. So do you think that
Yeah.
there's still an adherence to that kind of like, oh, the guy should,
It's something
Should
I think that
plan
should
and
just come
lead.
naturally.
regardless
I feel
of
like,
gender, right?
Yeah, I feel like guys go into like, the thought of like, oh, because I'm a guy, I should be doing it. No, you should want to do it naturally. Because I feel like I do it naturally. I have friends where we just, let's say if I'm buying someone a flower, a friend a flower, I do that naturally because I want to. And
Yeah.
I have guy friends who have bought chocolates for me or my friends naturally. That's something that should
That's
come
true.
to you. It should not come as like, oh, because I'm a guy, I should do it.
That's true.
Or
I
because I'm a
love
girl, I
doing
should-
it.
Exactly.
I'll plan the best dates.
Exactly. And you don't think about the whole thing of,
I'm a girl
because
and
I'm a-
why should I
that's
do
why,
that?
Yeah,
No.
you want to do it naturally. Obviously, in the end, we all want to be pampered as well.
Yeah, I'll
That's what
hold
you
the door
should be
for
doing.
you.
Yes.
I'll give you a massage.
Yes,
Wait,
you
so
actually do.
I
You
give really good massages. Thank you.
Yes.
Say that again.
She gives good massages. I actually fell asleep. It's so good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Cool. Yeah, you're right. I think
yeah.
it took me to say it out loud to realize, like, actually,
you
that's
should.
not true.
Yes.
Yeah, we all just want to be
Pampered.
loved.
You want to have the validation in your life, and your partner
True.
should give it to you. It should not be like,
Yeah.
oh, why should I? Oh, let's just be independent. No.
Yeah.
You want to be pampered.
You
want
wanna
to be
make life
validated.
easier.
And it is a two-way street. It's not just one person. It's not just the guy
Yes.
doing it.
It's
It is
every
both ways. Yeah.
every person.
Yes.
Yes.
Whoever it is in any relationship.
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
Lovely.
yes.
Nice. I think in the next segment,
Yes.
you will now see us talk about, do you believe in soulmates?
I do, but I
Yeah.
believe in. Now, the main question I think should be: do you believe in multiple soulmates, or is there only
Oh.
one soulmate for you?
Okay, so do you believe in soulmates? Yes. Do you believe that there are multiple soulmates?
Yes, because I feel like for the topic of love, and let's say if an individual is falling in love with another person, and if let's say it doesn't work out and all of that, you can still love the person, and you will always love the person. And the reason why I feel like there's multiple soulmates is because you will find someone new who is your soulmate, who is someone you love, but that love will be different. I feel like you love different people in a different way, right?
But
you
are
will
you,
have a
do you
name
mean
for
like
it.
romantic love in different ways?
Yes.
Okay,
Because
interesting.
I feel like one person, yes, you love them and it doesn't work out. That's
Yeah.
whatever reason it is.
Yeah.
Then the next person, the love can be a different thing. You don't have a specific word for it, like the feeling for it. It's just love, but a different type of love. Yes. What is it for you?
I think that there's only one romantic soulmate.
Okay.
I think that there are different types of soulmates
Like?
for different types of love.
Okay.
So I know for one, my mom and I, we are each other's soulmates.
Oh,
but
like
as
that.
like a mother and daughter.
Now
you know
I
what
just
I mean?
look like romantic only.
प्यार अलग-अलग type के होते हैं,
Yes, yeah.
अलग-अलग. And yeah, I think just because of how strong our bond is and how almost it doesn't feel like it's just love from this world, if that makes sense. I fully believe
That
in
it's
like,
so strong, which
Yeah.
I totally get.
right?
With our
Yeah.
moms, it's something completely different.
It's something
like,
so
you know
different.
this person will always be there for you.
Yeah.
Even if you're a bad person or you make a bad mistake,
Yeah.
they will be standing there for you, or they will tell you what is wrong, but still stand there with you.
Yes. And
They
I
are the
think
one person like that.
what I've realized about that is also just how much of life we have experienced together as two people coming
Yeah.
together. Like, yes, we are mother and daughter, but
Yeah.
we really have gone through the tides of life as two individuals. And
Yeah.
that has bound us together in such a strong way now that I know that across this life, she will always be my soulmate in that way.
Yes.
And maybe
Yeah.
even after this life, in the next,
We can hope.
we will find each other
Yeah.
again. So I do believe that. But I also believe that there's only one romantic soulmate. I think
Okay.
that you meet people to learn different lessons,
Yeah.
lessons that help you grow as individuals, that teach you to become a better individual,
Okay.
that make you love better, I think.
Okay.
And then you meet someone who you just know you're supposed to be with.
Okay.
And
So are you saying, if let's say, because in our generation,
yeah,
everyone knows that you want to spend time with someone, know if you love them, and if not, you will, they are just a lesson in your life or something
Yeah.
like that. So are you saying if a person has like multiple partners, obviously at different timelines,
Mhm.
and they marry one person, the people before, that's not love?
No, it is love, but they're not your soulmate. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I think
Makes
that
sense.
love can exist without being each other's soulmates.
Okay.
You can
So-
care for someone
Yeah.
and want the best for them and
Yeah.
cherish them and
Mhm.
and give them a lot of your time and your presence. But
Yes.
I think to me, soulmates equate to something much larger, much
Okay.
bigger. Khalil Gibran,
Okay.
writes about this in The Prophet, where when you feel like you're in love and you're with your soulmate, it's like you're by a river and the both of you are going by the stream of the river,
Yes.
but the river will come to an end and you'll become one.
Okay.
You'll merge into one,
Okay.
like the water.
Okay.
And I love that.
Okay.
I think that there's so much, it makes so much sense to me, even when we think about it in a larger scale, like the world,
Yeah.
where we're all different atoms that come together to create something, to
Yes.
become whole.
Yeah.
And I like that, in a way, that would be applicable to
Okay.
you and your soulmate as well.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I mean, we all wish that in
Yeah.
the end it's like one soulmate. But
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
I have a contradicting question to that.
Yes.
Then for the people who, let's say, go through a divorce or something, and is that person not their soulmate? And if they don't, be with someone after that, is that the fact that they haven't found their soulmate then?
I think when it comes to matters of separation or divorce or breakups, even,
Yeah.
right? It really comes down to the lesson that you were supposed to learn from it. Sometimes it's a very painful lesson because
Yeah.
of the time, because of how much you've given to that person and that relationship. And
Correct.
it takes a lot.
Yeah.
Like, loving is not easy.
Yeah.
The greatest things in life don't come
Easy at all.
at all.
It's not
So
that easy.
it makes sense
Yeah.
that it takes so much work, but
Yeah.
I think that perhaps sometimes you don't find your soulmate in a certain life because there is a greater lesson.
Isn't
It's
that
a lot of
so
lessons,
sad, though?
lessons.
Because you would want it in the life you have
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of sad if you think of it like, oh, maybe in another life.
But I feel like when you look at life not just from like the materialistic quality of like this tangible world that we live in,
Yes.
and that we exist beyond it, our energies exist beyond it,
Yeah.
then it doesn't feel as lonely or it doesn't feel as
Correct.
sad.
Yeah.
Having
I
said
think
that,
that's one thing I can say is that. Sorry.
Yeah.
One thing I can say is that people who are not dating anyone or
Yeah.
not with someone, I kind of get annoyed when someone has like a kind of chasing energy of like, I want a partner, I need to search for them right now, and I try from my side to tell them that hey, it'll come to you, you don't have to force it.
yeah.
And the main thing is, if you say that you're lonely, yes, you can feel lonely, but let's say for me, I am not dating anyone, so I might feel alone, but I don't feel lonely.
Yes.
Because I feel complete as myself.
Yes.
So that's also something people should know. that you
Yes.
should not be chasing towards it.
Yeah.
It will come to you, and we understand everyone wants a partner in their life, a soulmate in their life.
Yeah.
And that will only happen with you also getting out and letting yourself out there, which I feel like not many people do also.
I think so too. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think your soulmate isn't your like better half. It's not a half
Yeah,
of you,
you
right?
are a
Like
full.
yeah, an atom is
Yeah.
already full, and then
Yeah.
when it combines and
Yes,
merges with
the
another
river.
atom, yes, then it becomes like another whole
Yeah,
atom.
it's
But
not like the river was half and half.
Exactly.
It was two separate rivers, and then you become
they
one.
become one,
Yeah.
and we all are
Yes.
one. And I think
Yeah.
that's also a lesson for us in just spreading more love
Yeah.
and kindness.
And getting yourself out there. Don't complain if you don't want to get yourself out there.
Yes, you have to put yourself
Yeah.
in spaces and places to attract the
Correct,
energy
yeah.
too. If you're gonna
Yes.
close off that energy, how else are you going to find people? I mean,
Correct,
we
yeah.
met because we put ourselves out there in a
Correct.
way.
Yeah,
and we
and
talked
that
about
is what you
things.
should be doing in the first place.
Yeah.
And in Singapore, I think also people also they complain and they say that there's no one, but are you getting yourself out there? Are you at
It's
least
true.
trying?
It's true.
And
Do you think though
yeah.
that soulmates, you meet them after a lot of difficulty or you meet them immediately? I'll tell you guys a story. I have a cousin
Okay.
who recently got married, and
The
he
way-
got I know
a story.
he got married to the love of his life. This was his first love from school.
Whoa.
They've been together for 12 years and they just got married. And I think
12 years.
I
is
know.
So long. Oh my god.
I know.
Okay.
And I asked his
I
wife.
asked, sorry.
I asked her.
Bad. Sorry, I'm interested.
I know, I was getting there. I was like, don't.
Okay.
I asked her, how did you know
Yeah.
that he was the one? And she just looked at me in the sweetest way and she said, you'll just know.
Yeah. It's
And
the
I think
connection.
there is no
Yeah.
word to describe it. There is no,
Yes.
we don't have the tangible, descriptive
Yes. It's you
words.
can only say connection, and
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain it to people who think practically in life. Like I see this quality is good in this person. Yes, but do you have a connection?
Yes,
It's the connection.
it's the
Because
connection.
that'll make you stay with the person for life.
Yes.
Any other tangible thing, it
will
disappear in the
fade.
next day. Yeah.
Yeah.
It can you can say the person is rich, but the money can be gone in a day.
Yeah, or you could love them for their looks,
Yes.
but looks will fade.
But
So
the connection will not.
there has to be something that binds you beyond
I got
it.
bitten by an ant.
Whoa.
Okay.
Pyar?
Yeah. No. Maybe. Okay.
Maybe. But I also think it's very important that you first love yourself and that
Mm-hmm.
you are the person who you would want to love.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
You know?
Yes. it does.
Because if you are bitter and if you
Yeah. And your
feel like you are not complete, or if you aren't doing things in your life that make you happy,
Better.
that give you joy,
Yeah.
then you're also not attracting the energy that
should be coming
will
for you.
will become
Yeah.
the one, I
Yeah.
guess. Like until you
Yeah.
are not full in
Yeah.
yourself, full of love and joy and
Yeah.
and experiences and memories, you're not going to attract that energy.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Makes sense. Okay, I want to tell about the fact of how I believe in positive and negative energy
Yes.
from an experiment that I did when I was in 8th standard. And
Oh.
this is like a textbook experiment, okay? My mom told me to take 2 different glass jars and she just put rice inside both of them, okay? And she told me what we're going to do is kind of like weird, but I need to show you something. So
Okay.
we're going to do that. And there's 2 jars and we wrote good and bad on each of the jars.
Okay.
And every single day you go and whisper out something good to one jar and something bad to one jar.
No way.
Like the energy you have of the day. If you had a bad thing, you just, rant it out or say it.
To both the jars.
The bad jar and
To
the
the
good
bad
jar. Yeah.
jar.
So the good things you say to this jar.
Got it.
And it's a tiny jar. It does not matter on how much it's rice. Like
Yeah.
this is something we eat every day. Like what
Yeah.
is that?
Yeah.
And I'm just like, okay, that's kind of like weird, but okay.
Yeah.
We did this for a month.
Okay.
You're not gonna believe at the end of the month, the bad jar, the rice had gone bad. It was black.
No way.
And the good jar was white.
No way.
And that is the time I believed in positive and negative energy.
Wait, stop. Are
On
you
how
serious?
when you give out positive energy,
How?
it makes a difference. Someone could be standing way far away, but if I give out good energy, like, oh, she looks nice in that outfit.
Yeah.
Oh, he gives out good energy. He will be receiving that good energy, even
It's true.
however far I am. So if you give bad energy to someone, it will be bad. That's why we also do nazar, because we realize it that
Yes.
okay, someone might have bad intentions towards you,
Right.
and this is why you should believe in positive and negative energy.
Yes. So for those of
Yeah.
you who don't know what nazar is, right? It's this Hindi term, Indian
Yes.
term, for
Called
evil eye.
evil eye,
Yes.
yeah.
And so it's important to not only shield yourself from it,
Mhm.
but to also exude a stronger level of positive energy and
Yes.
thought.
Yes. Yeah.
To counter it, I guess. Yes.
So go and put rice in jars.
That's
bars.
crazy. If you guys do this,
Do that.
can you let us know
Yes.
if it actually, you know,
Yes.
has the same
It's-
result? I'm very
yeah.
curious.
Imagine a girl in like 8th standard just going, wait a second.
How?
What is this?
What a great lesson, also. Yeah, you're so right. I think there was an article that was recently published also that said the same thing. The cells in your body listen
Yeah.
to what you tell yourself.
yeah.
And so if you're going to pull yourself down
Yeah.
and not love yourself,
Yeah.
then
You're
your
already
cells will
giving
get
out
affected.
the negative energy.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're manifesting the wrong things to the universe
Exactly. So manifest love, manifest good energy and joy.
as well. You're
because-
such a positive. Manifest love.
Yeah.
प्यार एक दोस्ती.
प्यार दोस्ती है, प्यार
So
प्यार
ashy.
फैमिली है, प्यार
Yes.
सब कुछ. Actually, at the end of the day, what matters most is love.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, when you are on your deathbed, you're going to want, at least for me, I want my loved ones around me.
Yeah.
That matters to me
Way more
the
than anything
most.
else. Yeah,
Yes. So, love,
Yeah.
love.
This is our second segment, and
It's our
we'll be
second
seeing you
segment.
guys in a different location.
In a different location.
See you. Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
We're back with the third segment.
Yes.
Love.
Yes.
Is this love? Maine na jana. Na, na. Love Shahid Kapoor. Was obsessed with him for 2 years.
She became
You know what?
vegetarian for him.
I did for 2 years.
That's
and then he got
crazy.
married. And I was like, dhoka. And that's the day I went to have a mac chicken.
But that's crazy.
I know.
I would not leave
Dedication.
chicken for a person. Ooh, on the topic of love, let me ask you.
Oh.
If you
I know where this is going.
Yeah, if your partner is the opposite, right now you're vegetarian.
I am. For
Yeah.
myself. Oh my god, it's a rooster.
If your partner is
It's like,
a non-vegetarian, is that okay for you?
Yeah. Yeah. For sure. I'm okay with that.
Okay.
I mean, the reason why I'm on this is more personal anyway.
Correct,
So it's not something I expect my partner to be a part of as well.
Okay.
Um,
What do you think of people who want a partner only like if they are non-vegetarian, they want a partner who's
yeah,
non-vegetarian?
I can understand that as well because if
Yeah.
food is a big part of your life and you want to share that with your partner, it makes sense that
Correct.
you would look.
Yeah, you just
Yeah.
want to because if it isn't you just want to buy KFC,
Yeah.
sit down and watch a show. But then if they're vegetarian, you're like, oh, now what?
Sorry.
They're just we can't get a bucket now.
I'll have a bucket of like paneer.
Oh my-
Man, I don't really like paneer.
I
that
love
much.
paneer.
I mean, I love paneer too, but
I have
like,
noticed this about
tofu.
vegetarians. Paneer is like the chicken of vegetarians, but
Yeah.
vegetarians don't like paneer, which is so weird.
because it's really filling.
yeah,
and it doesn't
it's so
feel
good. Like
it's really good, but I
nice
can't have it every day. Can
paneer
you have chicken
butter
every day?
masala. Yeah, I have
Whoa.
chicken every day.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I cannot my mom tells me to not eat chicken for a day because of let's say if there's fasting or
Yeah,
anything.
yeah.
And I'm like, I'm going to the chicken restaurant and I'm like, can I have chicken rice without the chicken?
That's
and then they're like, so just rice.
Just-
And that was just so sad.
that's also dipped in like the
That
chicken
was
broth.
No, yeah. it was
The
just-
rice is dipped in chicken. Okay, we're digressing.
Yeah. Either way,
Yes.
they just yeah.
I honestly would I wouldn't mind exploring
Mm-hmm.
different things for my partner though, like not just food,
Yeah.
just to kind of I think get to know them a little bit better.
Okay,
And
yeah.
I think also the thought and the effort of trying really is important. Like if I met
Yes.
someone and
Yeah.
they kind of knew the journey that I was on and why I want to be vegetarian,
Mm-hmm.
and they, kind of gave it a go as well for
At least
to
tried
kind of
it
just to
out.
know me
Yeah.
and to show me that like, oh,
Yeah.
they're trying.
Correct.
That matters
Correct.
more than they eventually if they decide to become vegetarian. Like I like cool. Just the fact that you guys try. Oh,
She was just looking at us the whole way.
Oh,
so I
really?
just waved at her.
Aw.
And she waved back. Okay,
Yeah.
yes, but I do understand.
The effort
that.
matters
Yeah,
more, I
effort
think.
does.
Yeah. Similarly, if it's like, trying different things, like if your partner loved rock climbing and you
Yeah.
didn't, and if you
Yeah.
were afraid of heights, would you do it?
I would. I feel like it's very different. Like okay, I do not like treks. And I
I
feel
know.
like it would be really hard for me if my partner, like, I know he's gonna like treks. I just have a feeling, and I'm like,
Really?
I know that I'm just gonna be like, so we have to go camping. Shit.
I think it would be so fun to see you camping in the beach.
I'm just gonna break. I'm just the way you'll see the fear in my eyes, but I'm just gonna be like, yes, I'm here for my partner. The way I'm telling you.
I think it's
see it.
very sweet. I really think the effort matters
Yeah, it
a
does.
lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There was a time when we on my graduation trip, everyone went on a trek and I didn't go, and I had the best day of my life because I was like, I'm so happy I'm not climbing right now.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that brings me to my next question,
Yeah.
which is, do you think that opposites attract, or
Yeah.
the more similar you are to your partner,
Yeah.
better that relationship is?
I think opposites attract.
Yeah? Why?
Both ways it can work, but opposites attract. Definitely.
Yeah.
Like you learn new things from the partner.
Mm.
You're trying out new things. The more
Mm.
same you are, isn't that more like repetitive?
Yeah, it's
Very,
like dating yourself, which I
Yeah.
mean, I would have the time of my life.
but
But also,
there's-
like, I love
yeah.
to know new
Correct.
people.
Yeah, because or else
So-
just being single is just
Yeah.
another thing.
And you're right. I feel like when you're in a relationship, I want to learn from my partner
Yeah, you
too.
wanna
I
learn
want
new
to grow
things.
with my partner.
Correct,
So
yeah.
I wouldn't want them to be exactly who I am. I would
Correct.
want them to have qualities that I
Don't
strive
have.
to
Yes,
inculcate.
want. But I feel like there can be specific qualities that you are and you want in a partner.
Yes.
Like humor. I see myself having a partner with humor.
But can you
Or
be,
else I
do you
don't.
need to be the funnier one?
No, I mean, I feel like I've made enough people laugh. Now I want to laugh.
True.
Right?
True.
That's what and my friends agree with it. They're like, yeah, it's time for you to laugh now. Because
Yeah.
let's say if I'm meeting people and I'm just like, I'm the one making them laugh. No, make me
Yeah, then
laugh.
who's going to make you laugh?
Yeah.
It's true. I think I would want my partner to be funnier. But I
Right.
also would want them to lie and say that I'm the funnier one. Can I
Yeah.
have both?
What do you feel about dating in Singapore in your 20s? Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Let's talk about that. I'll
Yeah.
tell you my perspective as Ashi, and then I'll tell you my perspective as an Indian person
Okay.
in Singapore. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I grew up consuming a lot of different types of content and not really Singaporean content.
Okay.
And I think because media plays such a big influence in our lives, it shapes our thinking, it shapes our communication style, that I grew up feeling slightly different from everyone else. I used to
Okay.
consume a lot of Bollywood content, still do, yeah.
Yes.
And a lot of pop culture, like
Yeah.
American content. And so I spoke differently, I thought differently. And so when I grew up and started dating, I think I naturally gravitated towards people who were similar in that way, who
You would
weren't
want
really
that. Like you would want someone to vibe with.
Right.
Someone to dance with you on a Bollywood song.
Right, yeah.
Like, how could you not?
How could you not,
Yeah.
right? So that limited my dating pool, actually. It became difficult to find points of commonality.
I think
Yeah.
you're not the only one.
Yeah?
I feel there's many people who do feel the same way.
Do you feel the same way?
Yeah, I mean, I do feel like that. I'm like, it is pretty difficult in a way, but then that's not something you sit and worry about so much also.
yeah.
I'm like, okay, if it's meant to be kind of thing, it'll just
It will
happen
happen.
with you. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it is difficult. I feel like even the guys will agree. I feel
Yeah.
like guys also feel the same way.
Yeah.
But not as much as the girls. I don't know why.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
I think if we just talk about dating in general in your 20s,
Yeah.
nowadays I think it has gotten quite hard, actually,
Yeah.
to find
Yeah.
a semblance of what it is in our heads,
Yeah,
like to
correct.
me in my head it's like we're going out to get to know one another.
Yeah.
I just want the old school form of
I
dating.
feel like you need a connection regardless of what it is. So
Yes.
people do see the bigger picture now. They don't they search for a partner. They don't search for a like okay for the time being kind of thing.
You're
and
right.
people do that like okay just for the sake of it to go with the flow kind of thing. But isn't that not good long term?
Yeah, I think so. I think
Right.
also because I wonder if it has to do with just how lost we feel as a generation perhaps. I say this while being fully aware of the fact that a lot of us, we are looking for something long term. A lot of our friends are getting married and
Yeah.
are committing
Oh my
to that,
God.
right?
Yeah, and I'm
yes.
like, whoa.
Yeah.
It's literally half the people in Singapore either really single or just getting married.
Getting married. So
Yeah.
there is that side of it, but
Yeah.
there's also a sense of feeling like, who am I? And I think because there's so much happening around us,
Yeah.
it makes sense if we feel a bit lost. And so before perhaps we go there, we need to find who we are and what we want
Correct.
before we date someone else.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, because
That
I
is
feel
good.
like I sometimes talk to people and I don't think they know what they want. So it's important to ask yourself,
Yeah, you
really like
should know
sit
what
with
you
yourself, like
want.
what do you actually
Yeah.
want?
You would want, let's say, if you're going out on a date with someone, you would want the person to know what they're looking for or what their
Yes.
intention is.
Yes.
As long as the intention is clear, you're at least starting off right.
Yes. And
Yeah.
show up honestly.
Yeah.
Don't be
Yeah,
like,
don't lie about
don't
it,
lie
honestly.
like, yeah, I'm looking for
Because
this, but
honestly,
you're
in
not.
Singapore, you will find out. There's
Yeah.
so many times I've just found out about people
Everywhere,
and I'm
actually.
just like, do they know that thing? You know, anyone can find out about
Yeah,
this.
honestly.
Word goes around.
It's a very small
Yeah.
country.
Yeah.
And especially if you're dating in the Indian community, it's even smaller.
Yeah, you just
so
know everyone. You know what this person
everyone
or like
knows
the
everyone.
character or the personality of the person. You already know it.
Yes.
And there's like, let's say I know a person whose image is not that good,
Yeah.
and so if I meet the person in real, I already don't want to talk to the person. Like, let's say
Yeah.
outside, and I'm like, I've heard about it. Nah, I don't want to even talk to this person.
Right.
And it's understandable. So you should be also looking at your own image
Yeah.
before you.
Yeah.
do
Just
any
be a
step.
bit more
Yeah.
aware of how you show up
Yes. Yeah.
while dating as well.
Yes,
I
yeah.
think there's a certain sense of like a loss of respect
Mhm.
in dating.
Mhm.
Just respect for the person's time,
Yeah.
for their attention.
Honestly, just doing the small things also like if you're going
Yeah.
on a date, if you let's say stay nearby, even
Yeah.
picking up your date
I'll
means
pick up
a
my
lot.
date.
Yeah,
I've
it
picked up my
means-
dates.
Yeah, it means a lot.
Yeah.
I feel like that is also not here right now. I mean, I don't know
No.
because I'm not dating anyone, but I'm saying I
Right,
don't see
right.
it in the friends I see also dating people.
Yeah.
Like I don't see that. Oh, okay, he's coming to pick me up. We're going here and all that. That's the smallest thing, right?
Yeah.
It's just the start of it.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah, I think so too. And
Yeah.
I think if we're talking about, dating in Singapore as an Indian person,
Yeah.
growing up
Yeah.
in Singapore, I never felt like I was the beauty standard. I
Mm-hmm.
never felt attractive, or I didn't feel like I was
Mm-hmm.
the group that was sought after. Like even in school, I think because I studied in a local school, right? My experience
It's
as a
different, way
minority
different,
became
yeah.
very different because I didn't get attention from guys,
Mm-hmm.
or I wasn't interested in the guys that were around me, I
Correct,
guess.
yeah.
And so
Correct.
I never felt, I think, included in that site, in that space. Perhaps
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
maybe that's why I only date people who are kind of away from the Singaporeanness of it. Maybe.
Makes sense. 'Cause
Yeah.
you've also like grown up in a local school. And all
Yeah,
that.
so
yeah.
it took a lot of unlearning and
Yeah.
realizing like, oh, I am accepted
Yes.
elsewhere.
Yeah.
I am beautiful.
Yeah.
I am
Correct. If you
I
go to
am
another
dateable.
place, if you go to another place, you'll be like, oh, there's so many people, and
Yeah.
you are someone who people will view as, oh, I want to date this person.
Yeah.
It can be different on the place. Definitely is.
I think that, and also
Yeah.
we need to take away how much emphasis we have on the physicality when it comes to dating.
Okay.
Like there's so much attention on like how the person looks instead of who they are and the
Yeah.
values that they carry.
Yeah.
I think that we don't give it that much importance. Just as I said that, a group of Indian uncles just walk by.
I was like, I hope Ashi just keeps speaking because I do not want to speak right now.
They were just
chill.
walking, yeah.
It's either chilling or they'll be like,
Inside.
आजकल के लड़के
They
लड़कियाँ
just want to yap.
Shanice, you just like your mouth is moving like a yappa yappa yap. Shanice.
Where were we?
Yes.
What are we talking about?
The pool of people is different
The
according to the location.
physicality.
Yes, yeah.
Huh. Like, what's inside? That needs to be taken into account too, Is
Yeah.
that your
Two.
experience?
Yes,
two. Two.
Because sometimes looks also do matter. Personality also
For
matter.
sure.
Unfortunately, we only go for personality, so that's good. As in, I'm saying,
I don't know about.
I'm
I don't
saying
know about that.
we
The
go for
guys-
looks and personality.
Yeah.
Everyone should.
I seek that.
Yes. Yeah.
That's not. I don't. What
Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra says it.
Don't
Don't read my book backwards. My mom will be so proud that I remember this.
read a book backwards.
Yeah, you don't read your book backwards, right? You only read it forwards. She makes a lot of sense.
But I'm confused. How is that
No,
related?
so you don't
Why?
talk about your past.
Oh.
You only look into the future.
Okay. Yes, for sure. That makes sense. No, that makes sense, yeah.
What has your experience or what have you noticed around you in terms of dating in Singapore, dating as an Indian person in Singapore?
I feel like I just agree with what all you said, which is the pool being really small and you do know the people around you and what their personalities are, what they're known for, that kind of thing. And I feel like dating in Singapore as an Indian, I don't have that much of experience on it, but it is something which I've seen as, a friend of a friend making a person like your friend meet another friend does help. And I feel like currently people have closed off about it, or maybe there's not many things to do in a way to help people meet each other.
Yeah, socializing,
Yes,
right? Yeah.
I feel like socializing has decreased. That's why people aren't meeting as much. So the people
Yeah.
who are single are just single.
You're right.
That's what I've seen.
And it hasn't, I feel like the Sensex just came out, right? 2025 was the lowest record of marriages in Singapore. And I think that might be a testament to what you're saying as
Yes,
well.
yeah. And if socializing or meeting new people, one thing is making yourself go out there to meet people.
Yeah.
That should happen. Second thing is places to go to do that. And
Yes.
I feel like both of these not being there is the reason why many people are still single. And then they just think differently, like, oh, what if I'm not enough? This, that.
Yeah.
But I mean, they should also know that they are enough. It's just the circumstance, which is
Yes,
like that. It is
yes.
like that. And apart from that, that's what I think about dating in Singapore currently.
Yeah.
And I know that, let's say, if there's someone who's been dating for a few years,
Mm.
I feel like in Singapore, some people also take the practical decision of staying with the person.
Yes. I
Right?
love that you went there because
Yeah.
that's exactly
Yeah.
what I wanted to talk about, which is
Yes.
I think sometimes people also date here for the practicalities,
Practicality.
and that's just because of how the system has been set up,
Yes.
where it is easier
Yeah.
to get, say, a house.
Correct,
If you're
yeah.
in a relationship.
But you have to think about the connection as well.
Yeah.
You cannot do it without the connection.
Yeah.
Because yes, it is good knowing that there's stability, knowing that, okay, I know what my future will look like. It's predictable and good.
And that's important too in a
Yes.
relationship.
But as
right?
long as you have a good connection, yes, go for it.
Yes.
If you don't have a connection, don't think of, oh, this is a practical decision. Oh,
Yeah.
I have to again go out there and try. Why do
Yeah.
that?
And
It's like the job
fully-
market right now.
Y-
Just
mhm,
disappointing.
But it's
Yeah.
really goes back to like the fear, right? That
Yeah.
like if I don't meet this one, like if
Yeah.
I don't hold on to this person, I'm not gonna find someone else. And that's such it's justified.
Yeah.
I don't think you wanna live life
Yeah.
feeling lonely.
Correct.
And that
Yeah.
can be not alone. There's a difference, right?
Between
like you
being
can be
alone and
fully
being
yeah,
lonely.
you could be fully happy and content being
And alone.
alone, but
Yeah.
to not lead life lonely.
Yes. Yeah.
And so I think it's important to really ask yourself again, what does that connection mean to you?
Yeah.
What place does it hold in your life?
Yeah.
What does a good connection mean
Correct.
before
Yeah.
you commit?
Yes.
fully?
Because in this topic, you cannot only be practical.
Yes.
You also have to think by your heart.
Yes. I want to ask you now about online dating.
Online dating.
Yeah.
What I've known about it.
What we know about it.
I've
Yeah. How do
only
you
heard
feel
about
about it?
people doing arranged marriage, that online dating. And
Huh?
I've
You know people
heard of
who have gotten arranged marriage?
Yeah, like arranged marriage.
Wow.
Actually, not in Singapore.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, not in Singapore.
Setups, yeah. But not like the typical arranged marriage.
Yeah, true. Wait, no, I
it's-
haven't,
No,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
Then in Singapore, online dating, nah. I mean, from what I've heard, like I don't know, but what I've heard is it's the same pool of people over there.
Yeah.
And it's just repetitive at a point. So I know a friend,
Yeah.
let's say I know a friend who's gone on a date and she found out another girl who went on a date with the same guy.
Oh, man.
And the guy is obviously not a good catch. But they went out because
Tricky.
the pool is small. So it's a tricky thing. That's why I haven't gone into it because I'm just like, there's no point.
Yeah. I feel like, you can meet decent people
Yeah.
online.
Yeah. It's very like, you know,
It's a very small percentage,
Yes.
but I
Mamdani
think
got his wife from online dating.
he did.
But the rest
But
did not.
I think what happens is that people
Yeah.
don't show up authentically online
Okay.
because of two reasons. I
Yeah.
think one, there is already a wall of
Wall.
ambiguity or like of protection, right? Like
Correct,
you can
yeah.
hide behind this
Correct.
chat,
Yes.
and be a certain way.
Yeah.
But it's important to still show up for who you really are
Yeah.
instead of like putting up a persona or performing a persona.
Yeah.
One.
Mhm.
Two, I think it's tiring. Like
Mm-hmm.
online dating
Yeah.
is the swiping culture
Yeah.
can be so exhausting.
Correct. Yeah.
And so when you do that,
Yeah.
it becomes even harder to show up for who you are, right? Because
Yeah.
it's like having the same conversations again and again.
Yeah, that's
What's
kind
your
of
favorite
tiring,
color?
yeah.
What did you
Yeah.
want to be when you grew up? What matters to you? Like answering those questions again and again is very, very tiring. So I think that really then defeats the purpose of
Meeting
showing up authentically.
authentically. And I feel like I don't like it because you should not be thinking of there's so many options.
Yes.
I don't like that.
Yes.
I would rather, set up your friend with another friend that you have,
Yeah.
blind date. That is at least a better chance than,
Yeah.
oh, there's so many options, and then you
Yeah.
just go like, oh, which one? That's not nice. That's not authentic.
It's
if you have
not,
to
yes.
say like
And
that.
actually,
Yeah.
doesn't that also kind of contribute to like the effort of
Yeah.
wanting to find the right person?
Correct.
You know,
Yeah.
versus if it's the
Yeah.
swipe culture, the effort is not as present.
Yeah, you would want it to be like, authentic. Just meeting the
Yeah.
person in public, at a party or somewhere meeting in friends. You would
I want a good
that.
I want a good plot for my love story
yeah,
too.
you want a good start to it.
Yeah,
like,
like,
we met at this.
I want to
whatever
tell
it
my
is.
grandkids like
Yeah.
Dadu and I met, you
Yeah.
know, XYZ, whatever,
Yes.
wherever.
Yeah, it should be something. It should not be we just
Swiped.
or like got together. It is good for the people who have, honestly.
I mean, if that works
I've
out.
seen it and I love it how they're living life now. They really are making it work.
Yeah.
But then that's not for everyone.
It's not for everyone,
Yeah.
no.
But don't be demotivated by it.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is the one thing you should not be demotivated by.
Yeah.
Is for dating apps.
That's
all.
true. That's true. I think
Yeah.
our takeaway from this also should be to keep trying and
Yeah.
to show up honestly.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
think when you show up honestly, you love yourself.
Correct.
You attract the right energy too,
Yeah.
you know?
Correct. Yeah.
So it's important to be present with yourself first.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
That is good. That is good.
Wow.
So that is dating in Singapore.
Dating in Singapore.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, I mean, this topic is so broad, really,
Yeah.
that this really is part one.
Of all
Of
it. Yeah.
this.
There's a lot more to ask on the.
Let's just be more intentional with
Yes.
love.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll see you guys next week.
We'll see you very, very soon.
Yes.
Till then,
Keep sipping.
keep
Chai.
Wow. Yeah. Keep
Yes.
sipping chai.
Yeah.
Know that love is
all around.
all
you.
around you and you are love, as cliche as that sounds. Love yourself.
You're so cliche, honestly.
I know, I'm
You're
very
so
I
like,
know, I
Bollywood
know.
vibes.
I know.
Yeah.
Well,
Yes. We'll see
I'm
you
showing
guys.
up honestly.
Yes. And I
Yeah.
hope you guys also reflect on the questions we asked.
Reflect.
And ask it to yourself. Yeah. All those
Okay.
questions.
Perfect.
See you guys.
See you guys. That is
Bye-bye.
episode
5
5 of
on love.